My food. Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. For the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. So in today's video, you guys will be just spending with me a day in Nairobi, a day or few days in Nairobi. I will see how the vlog goes, if I'll be remembering, to pick up my camera each and every time. So we will see. But today, I came to Nairobi. We are in this amazing and cute house that I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to do a short house tour for you guys. It's a really nice one. And then we'll be going for lunch with my sister and mom. I'll be just taking you guys along, showing you guys each and everything. I hope I'll be good in vlogging because I'm not that good. So keep watching. Okay, sit down and keep watching and enjoy the vlog. So let's start with here. This is like a study room, reading room. Look how cute it is. Work room. If you want to, you have some work. You can add your books here. So yeah, this is so cute though. That was my washroom and my sister, because we are sharing a same room. Yeah, this is our room. So big and yeah, cute enough. And I love this lamp design. They're so beautiful. I have to use the corridor. That is the master's bedroom, but we are not going there because my people are still parking there. And then this is the sitting room, and my sister is there sleeping. Hi. And yeah, she's just using tablet, and she got new braces, guys. I guess the vlog has been there or will be there after, I don't know. Yeah. So this is the sitting room. How beautiful they are. Entrance is here. The visitors washroom and the kitchen. Ta-da! So now let's go. Naomi's food. My food. Thank you.
My team. whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.